Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to become Xero Certified. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your browser and visiting the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account using your email address and password. After signing in, open Xero Central in New tab, which is the platform that contains Xero's training materials, support resources, and certification courses. Once you're there, navigate to the Learning section. In the Learning area, browse the available learning options and locate the Xero Certification section. From there, select the option to get certified. This will take you to your certification dashboard, where you can track your progress, view completed courses, and monitor any certifications or badges you've earned. The dashboard provides an overview of your learning journey and shows the requirements needed to complete certification. Review the available courses and begin working through them in the recommended order. As you complete courses, you'll unlock additional learning materials and may earn badges that reflect your achievements. If you'd like a detailed overview of the certification journey, look for the Certification Process Information page. This resource explains the steps involved, certification requirements, and other important details related to earning and maintaining your certification. You can also review the FAQ section to find answers to common questions about certification requirements, course progression, assessments, and other related topics. And that's it. So that's basically how you can become Xero Certified. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.